Conflicts in teams arise from differences in personalities, priorities, or work styles, but offer opportunities for growth if handled well. Begin by identifying root causes, such as miscommunication or conflicting goals, to address the core issue. Facilitate open and respectful dialogue where all parties feel heard. As a manager, stay neutral, focus on shared objectives, and encourage collaborative problem solving. Utilize strategies like mediation to guide the team toward mutually beneficial solutions. Effective conflict management builds stronger relationships, fosters open communication, and enhances team dynamics, turning disagreements into valuable opportunities for innovation and improved teamwork. Performance issues can affect team success, but addressing them promptly ensures improvement and growth. Start by identifying specific problems, focusing on behaviors or outcomes rather than personal traits. Provide clear, actionable, and solution-oriented feedback to encourage improvement without defensiveness. Collaborate with the employee to create an improvement plan outlining goals, actions, and timelines, offering necessary resources or training. Regular check-ins help track progress and maintain accountability. By addressing underperformance with empathy and clarity, managers support individual growth, strengthen team productivity, and foster a culture of accountability, helping employees reach their potential while contributing to team success. Diverse perspectives enrich decision-making and foster innovation, but can also create friction if not managed well. Managers should encourage open dialogue, ensuring every idea is heard and valued. Focus on shared goals to shift conversations from disagreements to collaborative problem solving. Respect individual viewpoints while guiding the team towards solutions that benefit the organization. By fostering a culture that values inclusivity and diversity of thought, managers can transform differences into strengths, enhance team creativity, and build a workplace where all members feel respected and empowered. When managed effectively, differing perspectives drive innovation and strengthen team collaboration. Change can cause anxiety, but is essential for growth. Managers must communicate clearly about the reasons, benefits, and impacts of change, ensuring transparency. Address emotional concerns empathetically and provide support to help employees adapt. Involve the team in the process by seeking input and encouraging participation, which reduces resistance and builds trust. Demonstrating strong leadership during transitions fosters a positive attitude and helps employees embrace new opportunities. By managing change effectively, managers maintain team morale, productivity, and cohesion, while ensuring smooth transitions that contribute to long-term organizational success. Difficult conversations are necessary for addressing performance, behavior, or conflict. Prepare by gathering facts and focusing on a specific issue. Approach the discussion with empathy and respect, ensuring a safe space for open dialogue. Focus on behaviors or outcomes rather than personal traits, providing clear feedback and actionable solutions. Active listening is critical to understand the other person's perspective and building trust. Collaborate on a path forward that resolves the issue and promotes positive change. Skillfully handling these conversations strengthens relationships, improves team dynamics, and fosters a culture of open communication and accountability. Crisis management requires a calm, strategic approach to navigate challenge effectively. Establish a clear plan, outlining roles, communication protocols, and decision-making processes. During a crisis, provide accurate, transparent updates to reduce uncertainty and guide the team. Stay composed and focused to maintain morale and inspire confidence. Adapt strategies as the situation evolves to ensure stability and minimizing disruption. Effective crisis management protects the team's well-being, maintains operations, and builds resilience. Preparing the organization to handle future challenges with greater confidence and efficiency.